Welcome to a how-to video from Animal Care Software. We are excited to introduce the new welfare module and customizable templates. Let me take you for a tour on the new user interface. Most users start their day by reviewing the previous day's daily report. We know that many of our users prefer to review the daily reports by reviewing it as a PDF file. You can select or deselect items to include. Information on the PDF view is laid out in the same order and format as it is on the digital daily review. Section and subsection notes and measurements are listed before animal notes and animal measurements. Now let me show you how to review the daily report like most of our users do. Most users do not see an edit button. That is only for administrators. Longtime users will notice immediately that there are images and videos embedded right within note fields. You can play embedded videos simply by clicking on them. The default view for displaying measurements and notes is based on fields that have data. As you review, you will notice that on the left-hand menu that it is highlighting the section that you are in. To review by displaying all measurements and notes, click All. Now let's review the new look and interface of the daily reports. We have a new layout. The information that applies to the entire section is still featured at the top. For older eyes like mine, you can zoom your browser view. So let's review the icons that appear on the daily report. First, we have our download and print icons for printing or downloading the daily report. And now let's look at the new menu bar on the left-hand side. The daily report icon always returns you to the top of the daily report. By clicking on the section view, you jump down to your sections, subsections, and view animals. Once your facility begins to use the customizable templates for the welfare module, you will see items on the timeline view that appear in the order of time that they are required to be filled in at. Use the arrow to expand or contract your viewing area. The next icon is the template view. Any templates that you create and animals assigned to those templates will be displayed in this section. Animals that are assigned to the same template are displayed together. The last icon is the progress report. Here you will be able to view and chart measurements in real time. Users will be able to compare animals and compare measurements. Now let's click on the daily report icon and jump to the top. Much of your information day to day is going to be entered in for the sections or for the animals. Use the menu on the left to jump between sections, subsections, or animals. Animal care staff may want to get together with management to add additional subsections. One reason for this is that previously, animals assigned to the same subsection were still separated by species. Notice in the previous view of the daily report that the scarlet macaws and blue and gold macaws are separated and easily identifiable by the species. An administrator can add a subsection called blue and gold macaws and then reassign the blue and gold macaw to that subsection. Now let's review entering data. All measurements entered are now displayed on the daily report. To add measurements, you can click on the plus sign. Click on a measurement and you can review that measurement, show all, see notes. Click on this icon to view all measurements for a section or for an animal. You can now enter just one measurement and save, or you can select a measurement, add it, and then save and add another new one. To add a note to a section or an animal, click on Note, select your note type, and then type in your details. Notes under an animal's section are now related directly to that animal. Now, even though that is true, we still highly recommend tagging animals in your notes to always clearly identify the animal and the ID number. Using hashtags in notes still allow you to find unique information. And here you will see that new enhancement where you can attach an image, a document, or a video directly to a note.
Thank you for watching this how-to video. Please contact me with any comments or questions, or if you'd like to set up training for your facility, you can reach me at dave@animalcaresoftware.com.